guys, I need your help. And this is what today's video is about.
Thumbnail help.
Here is my DIY channel, DIY Home Melly. I just have 4 subscribers. So guys, if you want to help me grow, please subscribe. By the way, 4 Abonnenten means 4 subscribers. Here you can see the thumbnails to my videos. I have been working on them before because before they looked even crappier. And try to make them look like they are branded by me. As you can see, I have the circle and there is a little house and it's called Home and Melly in a little frame that looks like a house. So I really liked it. And I also like the idea of having a circle. So as you can see, there are my thumbnails. And the one I really hate is the one about the Easter decoration eggs, because it just looks like crap. Literally like crap, because the color of it.
What is it?
I have tried to copy the color of the copper. Didn't work. I don't like this one. And I also tried it with the gold of the earring holder into the color of my thumbnail, but it didn't work. I think it worked with the leather bunny and also with the DIY Easter eggs decoration. The green or the mint color I took from the plants. I think it's something like lavender, but I don't know. I just collected it in our garden, so I thought it would look cool, but I think it also looks like Christmas eggs, so yeah. I have to learn a lot, guys. I'm telling you, I have to learn so much, but what I'm doing in my free time is watching videos on how to make them, how to become a better YouTuber, because I want to show you what I love to do. So I'm gonna make another video about help that I'm asking you for with my videos, but that will be a complete different video. I think my click rates are so low because of my thumbnails. So I think DIY Easter eggs decoration and DIY Easter leather bunny and golden eggs, they are my favorite ones. You can also see it on the 44 views that it has gotten during those 2 weeks that it's online. If you want to learn some German, 44 Aufrufe means 44 views. Okay, so let's start. What I really need your help on first is the thumbnail on the left, 3 DIY picture frames. Number 1. Oh guys, I hate this so much. It just looks like you want to look away. You don't want to look at it, don't you? So let's dive into this beautiful thumbnail. Not. What looks really unstructured is this 3 DIY picture frames. So the text is just flying around somewhere in my thumbnail and it looks like it doesn't belong there, especially the picture frames text. Help me, guys. Number 2. I wanted to keep on using circles because it's easy to focus on, so you can really focus on the thing that is important, the picture frame. There you see the copper frame. It is showing 2 edges of the copper frame and a bit of the picture. By the way, my models are Peanut and Stella, my 2 dogs. Peanut is the little one. He seems to be my favorite dog. But he's not. I like them both equally. Uh, no, I have Peanut since he's a little baby, and Stella came to me, I think 2 years later. than Peanut. And she comes from Tenerife. She was rescued, so she's okay. I'm not telling you stories about my dogs. Maybe I can do that in another video if you want to. So tell me if you want me to tell you stories about Peanut and Stella, because I love them so much and they are like my babies. I love them. Okay, enough. I have my logo, so you can see. Okay, this is a video from Home Melly. I know her, I like her videos. I will click on it and I will watch it. And then there is the title of the video, which is in this case called 3 DIY picture frames. Why 3? Because I'm showing you how to make 3 German accent. Because I'm showing you how to make 3 that is really hard. 3. Okay. How to make 3 DIY, now it's not working. 3 DIY picture frames. Okay, I like this one. This is okay. Next one. Number 3. Here I have played with the text and my logo. So my logo is down on the left because it's not that important, but what I think is important is the title of the video, Picture Frames 3 DIY. But this actually, it should be changed. I have to change that because it should be 3 DIY picture frames, not picture frames 3 DIY. What is that? I don't know. Number 4. So this one is crap. I don't like it. I won't use it. It looks like crap. Let's forget about this one. Oh, and there is DIY picture. There is no space in between, so just forget it. Number 5. This is another one in which I have tried to separate the title from the pictures by using a line, a thick line, as you can see. Maybe it would look a bit better if I would make the line thinner. I don't know, but I don't like it at all. Number 6. Here I had the idea of little circles that are hung from the ceiling. I kept on using 3 circles with the 3 pictures and then 2 circles for the title. Number 7. This is supposed to look like small lollipops. There are 3 pictures and there are 2 lollipops for the title. Number 8. And this one is white, so it will stick out more. Number 9. Here I changed it. The lollipops are my 3 DIYs and the text is hanging from the ceiling. Number 10. And this is with the black. I think I prefer the black circle because the white is catching the eye instead of the pictures catching the eye, if you know what I mean. And the black is in the background and the pictures catch the eye. Number 11. What I have learned from my previous thumbnails that I have shown you in the beginning of this video is that I won't use color anymore because as you can see,
it sucks.
3 DIY is supposed to look like the copper frame. It's better than my copper axe, if you remember, this dark brown color that was supposed to look like copper, but it didn't. I think it's better, but it still looks like shit. And Picture Frames was supposed to take the color of the dowels, which I stained with wood stain, but I think it also
Sucks.
color is a no-go for me. Black and white, perfect. Number 12. This one, maybe this is cool. I think I like it somehow. I like it. Number 13. This is a bit boring. Oh, that's it, okay. Now tell me, which one was your favorite thumbnail? Which one would you click on? Please tell me in the comments below. Here you can see all the thumbnails I have created. If you like my channel, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Which one would you be most likely to click on? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye!